Now what we are doing, we are just using the tags. Now what is tags? Tags are nothing but grouping the cases, right? Yeah, we are grouping, setting up and defining which test is going to which level of testing. Okay, so we have different levels of testing: unit testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, integration testing, retesting, regression testing, system testing, end-to-end testing, and finally user acceptance testing. So no, we will check it later, no problem. Okay, so what we can do now, this is just log, just to understand what we are doing. Actually you can write the test script here. Okay, for each and every test cases you can write the test script. Actually you can write the same way, and you are using like maybe login data you put wrong maybe. Okay, like for negative testing. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now keywords. Okay, yeah, we already know what are these, right? We use it. So this is login test. I take this login, I just cut it. Okay, and in the keyword there are two kinds of keywords. One is library keyword, another one is user defined keyword, right? Login functionality tests. I can write like this, or I can make it underscore, or I can make it a, and just spaces. Okay, make sure there is two space, one, and just take this keywords. This is user defined keyword. You are creating this keyword yourself. That is why it is called user defined. You are defining it. You are making it. Okay, it's not library keyword. You are making it yourself for your better, uh, yeah, to make it better to your test case. You are making the test case better. Okay, you see, I just take the keyword that you define yourself. Now what is library keyword? Library keyword are this: open browser. Okay, you didn't make it. Actually when you write open, yeah, it's coming, you see, open browser, it's coming from the library. These are library keywords. Okay, so how many types of keywords? Two types. One is library keywords. This is library keywords. This is user defined. This is library keyword. Okay, so these are coming from where? From Selenium library. Library keywords are coming from Selenium library. Clear? Now you can run it. Okay, now just go to report, open with different browser, maybe Safari. I don't know whether I have Safari or not. I don't have. Okay, library. Yeah, it's coming from Selenium library. Okay, library keywords are coming from Selenium library. All test passed. Okay, let's go by text. We can go from log and check everything. Okay, if you go to test case 6, this is empty plus test. Okay, now is it clear? Okay, good. So these are interview questions like how many types of keywords are there in robot framework. You have to say there are two types of keywords. One is library keywords and another one is user defined keywords. Interviewer can ask you what is user defined keywords. User defined keywords are defined by the users, by the software development engineers or software test engineers. Okay, we are creating the keywords for our better use to make our test cases better, test cases more functional, test cases more short, sweet, and beautiful. Okay, all right, looks much better and short. Okay, no, actually this one we can put maybe at the end. Okay, well, the last test cases. Okay, username and operating system. What the hell? Why it's not working? Sure. It should be working. Okay, so let's synchronize it. And let's go back, enter. All right. Now, if you just go to reports and open it in Internet Explorer, I have Internet Explorer, I think. Yes, it's opening on Internet Explorer also. Okay. This one is not showing. Okay, we will check in the next class. Right. So you understand what is log, you understand what is tags. Okay, you understand also test cases, test suits, scalar variable, and also implementation library, settings, variables. Okay, all these things. Now, If you have any question on this, we are covering a lot of things today, just we are revising, okay? Scalar variable stores only one value, okay? Scalar variable. You see, browser Firefox, only one value, storing only one value. URL, the URL, just one value, okay? But list variable stores more than one value, two values here, right? Here is only one, and here, oh yeah. So syntax is value one, value two, means two values, okay? Storing two values. So, oh, actually, it's same. This is also variable. This is also variable. Scalar only stores one value, and list variable stores more than one values, two values at least. Okay, and difference is it starts with dollars. Oh, really, but your one is clear. Maybe the internet is low on my side. Now you see it has dollar sign, that is scalar variable, but list variable has at the rate sign, okay? And dictionary variable, it has variable name, and we say pair values, okay? It has keyword and value, keyword and value, or attributes and value. We say property also, property and value, okay? So like username, admin. Username is admin. Password is this password. Okay. So it has equal to, right? Yeah. And if you are using PyCharm, you can use also like this, you know. Hold on, actually. But follow follow your project, what framework they are working on, how they are working on. Okay. If they are using is equal to, always use equal to. Even here, when you're writing your test cases, you see the test cases, you can use also this, what is it, colon, right? You can use colon, at the same time you can use also equal to. If you use colon, always you have to use colon. If you write equal to, always you have to equal to. You cannot mix it up. All right, any more question? Okay, it's almost done.